Ladies and gentlemen, today's Sunday. It's the 11th, 12th, 13th of December, and today just going to be showing you. I'm going to sell these Thompson & Morgan Continental golf ball size white bulbs. I'll do for salads, barbecues and stir fries. Large mature bulbs can be lifted and stored. These are some beautiful White Star F1 onions, spring onions. So I'm looking forward to really growing these. Larger builds, stronger taste. So let's say here, let's have a quick look, shall we? When large bulbs and traditional spring onions with strong pungent seedless varieties, ideal for adding to a real zing when used raw in salads and also when used in cooked dishes. So thinly, 13mm, a quarter of an inch deep in drill, 30cm apart. Growing instructions: no thinning should be necessary, simply keep the ground weed free, same suggestions, blah blah blah. There's all the instructions there, but I'm going to try and grow these indoors, so I've got some. So yeah, let's get the camera set up first. Right, let's get these open, shall we? There is roughly 175 seeds in here, so I shall open these from the bottom like I normally do. Just get a little bit closer. That's a little bit better. Get these open and let's have a look at the seeds, shall we? You know, like I said, I'm really looking forward to growing some of these. I absolutely love onions, spring onions especially. Really nice cheese sandwiches, burgers, hot dogs, that sort of thing. So look, shall we? Nice big seeds. So just put them back in the packet, and I shall get all these pots sorted. So I'm using a peat-free compost, as you can see here. First of all, get these filled up. I'm also going to start sowing some radishes and some lettuce in the next week or so. I've got a lot more room in my new greenhouse, so a lot more space to grow things. I'm also going to be building a couple of 4 feet T8 LED lights, so I can grow underneath my bench. I've got this big bench here to show you, where all my rubbish is kept underneath, and that's about 3 foot high, so I can have 2 stacks under there. So I'm really looking forward to doing that. But for the time being, we'll get these done. So yeah, that's a couple done. What I'm going to do then is give them a really good tap down, like so. Right, let's get sewing them now. Right, I'm going to get my pen now. Excuse me. And I'm going to probably put 5 in each one of these, so just half an inch deep, one in the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll do some more over there. So I shall get these. Listen, these are large enough that you can actually pick them out one by one. You can see there. So I shall just 1 in each one. Yeah, look, the good thing about growing things you can eat, the reward at the end of it. Cannot wait. So you get 1 in each one. If you put an extra one in, it's not the end of the world. And then all you need to do then is just fill the holes in like so. Nice and easy. Any seeds, put them back in the packet. Always make sure I crimp it to get a really good fold in the nails. Stop it coming undone again. And then, because I cut from the bottom, always make sure like that. And then when I put them back, I always put them back upside down. Just make sure they keep them in there. I've got a name tag. White Star F1 onion. Don't know if you can see that. White Star F1 onion. That goes in the side. And all we need to do then is turn around, have my little watering tray, and like so. Then all I'll do is just give them my little water bottle. Put water from the top. I shall let them soak from the bottom. And once that's done, to bring them on a little bit, I shall put both those pots there. That's on a heat mat with some lights that run 18 hours a day. Over the next couple of days, after I've sown them, I've got some lavenders over there. That'll be sowing soon. But I've got 6 LED T8 lights here, 2 5-foot doubles and 1 6-foot double. These produce plenty of light if you want to grow anything, seedlings, cuttings, new plants. Really good. Can't recommend them enough, and you save a lot of energy with the LEDs. Anyway, that's my how to sow spring onion videos. If you've got any questions I'd take to ask, folks, if you like my videos, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.